Oh my gosh, Nash, no! Oh, Nash. Nash! Come on, get up! Get up! What happened? Who?
It's his face.
What, it was a he?
I'm assuming, but...
Can we just get out of here, please, and go get the cops? Come on! Here, get up. Get up. Oh. What is that?
What?
There's an oil on the floor. That explains the oily handprint.
Oil?
Oil.
Holy crap!
Oh my gosh! You're alive!
Yeah, how'd you do that?
Oh my gosh!
Where's the bat? You don't need to worry about that. Well,
Oh my gosh! How did this happen?
everything's connected. Well, it's time to unmask this dude.
Yeah, let's find out.
Time out. Get his feet!
Mr. Max Killer. Alright, let's find out who this is.
Here we go. You're fired! What? Chris?
Chris?
Why would you do this?
Why?
2 years ago, I won most palatable beard at the apple butter competition. I wanted to win again, so I started this competition here. No, it's been 2 years. Charlie's won it for 2 years. So I thought, I'll just knock out the competition. But you meddling social media people are gonna get involved! That's why you killed Charlie?
Come on, Chris.
Mountaineer Brand's good, man, but it's not to kill for.
Not at all. Here come the police. Just in time.